Welcome to this Got a Minute video. I will be showing you how to check for errors, run a file reindex and compress the data in your Sage company. For this video I'm using the demo data. Within your company, please go to File Maintenance. Before completing any of these steps, it's important that you have taken a backup first. So the first step will be to check for data. If you do have any errors, please contact our support team. The following step is reindexing the data files. If Sage is being quite slow, then this is a step that is recommended. Please select all of the files and then press OK. If this hasn't been done in your company for a while, or you've got lots of transactions, then this process can take some time to complete. You will now see a Compress Now option on your screen. Please select this for the final step, and this will conclude our video.